done a great job, but we have a lot more to do. We've done a great job. We've had last year 27 fatalities too many, but it's down so substantially in the last 100 years. I think a lot of people don't really understand just how far this industry has come. But the falls of roof and rib are something that historically has plagued the mining industry that I feel like we've made a lot of tremendous progress on. We had 2 incidents with that last year. Black lung, silicosis, PMF should be items of the past. Current data shows that they're being managed properly, but it shows that within the last 20 years it hasn't always been that way. There were processes out of control. Powered haulage. Powered haulage has to improve. Powered haulage safety has been roughly 50% of our fatalities over the last 20 years. Conveyor belt injuries and fatalities is something that we are pushing hard on the enforcement side through seat belts. Seat belts save lives. And we have every 10-year period, 34 to 38 miners that die because they don't want to wear their seat belt.
We're down, the tonnage is down, but there's still problems that are facing the industry that we have to deal with as an agency. One being staff turnover, another being how we manage our resources to meet the needs of the industry as they're in decline. There's still safety issues that have to be addressed, and we want to make sure that our miners work safe.
We do have a guidance memo that we recently issued to industry. The purpose of the guidance memo is that we reevaluate the breakthrough potential from our impoundments into mine works that may be adjacent or underneath the impoundment. Through that memo, we outline a series of steps that we want the engineers to look at. And that's identify the coal seams, identify any mining that has occurred in that, and then identify the breakthrough potential and impact of breakthrough if it was to occur. And through that, we are addressing OSM concerns that they've identified. Submittals are due July of next year. We will be reviewing those as permit revisions when they are submitted.
Here's the candy darter. It's a small fish. It's typically less than 3 inches, and it's found in the Golly River watershed and the New River watershed in Virginia. So if you're planning a project in one of those watersheds, you need to look out for it because it was officially listed on the endangered species list back in November of 2018. The big sandy crayfish and the Gyandotte River crayfish listed in 2016. However, they did not officially designate the critical habitat for that species. And by the end of this year, 2019, they're supposed to come out with a final rule designating those critical habitats. We have, for the last 25 years, operated off of the 1996 biological opinion, which is smacker in the ESA. We have a new biological opinion that's currently being developed. The draft should come out next month, so everyone will get a chance to look at that. And whenever the final rule does come out, that will likely result in some changes to the permitting process.